Hello.
Ha, you mean you are going to eat all this food? Only you?
Mm, mm, for me.
Yeah?
For me.
Hey guys, I caught this young man with this overloaded plate. He's eating all alone. And he knows ukuthi I don't want him to eat too much like this. So uthuke kabe ngibona ngingena. He's not even ashamed to say it's all for me. I hope you remember him, guys. I made a video with him when he arrived at home. I told ukuthi he is a new member of my family sihlala naye. But-ke I said istory sakhe angeke ngikwazi ukuthi ngisisho la because sinokuba buhlungunyana. Those who watched that video ngalesikhathi efika for the first time, I explained ukuthi uhlala nathi samthola khona, but I will not give you all the details about ukufika kwakhe ukuthi ezohlala nathi. We were not related. That's what I can say ukuthi we were not related with him, but now he is one of us. He is a member of the family. As you can see ukuthi sesihleli naye owethu. He is having a problem of speech. Usahamba psychologist, nama speech therapy. He is a lovable child, always happy, make us happy. He is everything actually. The problem is his grandma. When it comes to food, he can eat from morning till night, this one, as long as I'm not around to control the situation, because yena ufuna ukudla now and then. He can eat like after 30 minutes, after 1 hour, after 30 minutes. So if they are alone, he's eating everything that is in the house. But-ke uzoba right because he is still young. It's just that nje I'm concerned ukuthi akakwazi ukuthi angadla ngale ndlela adla ngayo aphinde abe healthy. That's a problem. You are going to finish all this food? Why? What's wrong with you? Eh? Why can't you eat this burger later?
Oh. I'm gonna clean my bath.
Petros, bread and egg, burger. Why?
I'm gonna put my bag.
Are you planning to unalive yourself?
I don't know.
You are going to finish all this food?
I think I'm gonna eat a burger.
Really?
Burger.
No. Your grandma need to be arrested.
Nope.
Yes. Your grandma need to be arrested. You cannot finish this food, all this food, you alone. A 5-year-old. How can you? Your grandmother needs to be arrested as soon as possible.
How?
What do you mean how? You are unaliving yourself with this food. No. There's no need for you to take this. What are you doing with that tissue? What are you doing with that? What are you doing with this serviette?
This is my paper KFC.
What are you planning to do with this serviette?
Huh?
And what are you doing there?
Nothing.
Ha! No. Your grandmother needs to be arrested, really.
You're not sure there's nothing?
How can you allow her to do this to you? I'm not saying don't eat it. I'm just wondering.
Huh?
Angisho ukuthi uyibuyisele. I'm just asking ukuthi, are you going to finish all this food alone? That is why I'm saying your grandma needs to be arrested. There's no need for you to run away. Go there. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, what?
Yes.
Yeah? Where do you want to keep this bag?
A bag.
In your school bag, inside your school bag, a bag for tomorrow. You want to eat it at school? This KFC burger.
Yeah.
Why?
Because it's so delicious.
Siyamuzwa uthi because it's delicious. Into vele ayithandayo ukuthi even edlala ama-game, ufuna ukudlala ama-game azoveza abo-McDonald, ama-chocolates, you know, all those things. Even ama-newspaper, if ebona i-newspaper, lama-adverts abaphakathi maybe awo-food lovers, uzogijima ezokubonisa ukuthi look, oranges, look, boerewors, look. That's the only thing. Yiyo-ke lento engithi ngizama ukuthi ngiyi-control ukuthi no, you cannot enjoy food like this. It's too much, it's unhealthy for you. But-ke ngoba ingane sizothini usamncane. So what the doctor said ukuthi he is behind. As he is 5 years old right now, he is like 3.5-year-old, according to his doctors. So we are hoping ukuthi as soon as he reach about 6-7 years old, uzobe sehlakaniphe enough because uyobe like ingane na 5.5 ngalezo ikhathi, or 5 vele. So that is what we are praying for, ukuthi kube right yonke into yakhe and izoba right ngoba uhlakaniphile. We are hoping ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzoyenza imlingo yakhe, uzoba right yena Shem. Where are you going to? And so he decided to run away because I'm exposing him. So guys, as I said, isitori sakhe sensitive, ke angeke ngikwazi ukuthi nginixoxele sona. But ke if he is free, he will come and say hi guys. So guys, thank you so much for watching.